The calc'nClean program cleans and descales at the same time and guarantees hygiene and quality for your Siemens EQ700. Start calc'nClean and follow the instructions on the display. Drop a cleaning tablet into the slot inside the coffee bean container and a descaling tablet into the water tank filled with warm water. The appliance will run 2 separate cleaning processes for which you need a container with a capacity of 1 liter. Afterward, rinse and refill the water tank. Rinse the milk container and empty the drip tray. You want the best coffee. That's why you should maintain your Siemens EQ700 with calc'nClean regularly. Siemens Home Appliances.